So I'm buying 2 Aircons right now for each bedroom of the guest house. And here, this is the price. And I will rather stick to my Coppel brand because all my main house are all Coppel. So even though there's a big fan on the bedrooms, I still want them to be comfortable. So I'm buying Aircons here. And the cheapest I've seen is here in Home Builders because like you can see, it's still on promo price. Sige, Kwaber. Patistingan mo. So we'll have it all taken off to be tested. So I have done several videos of Aircon. So far, this is the best price I've seen. And so I am the one purchasing it here based on the pricing that I have recorded in other appliance centers. And I'll rather prepare the brand Coppel, Panasonic, or Condora. So, but they have Coppel on the price that I like. So, I just have to stick to the brand that I have in my main house. So, you can see they still have the other Aircons that I featured before. Because this one is too big for the little bedrooms. And when we calculated it, in fact, half horsepower is enough for each bedroom. But I have 0.75 horsepower. So with the big fans, and then they can also open the doors and just block it with a screen, then they're more than comfortable. Then they will have all the views who are sleeping still, and then in the aircon and the fan. So we're trying to test this one. So if you want to see their aircon prices, that's the 2 horsepower Coppel remote window type. It's now just 26. And this is Colin brand 1 horsepower inverter, 26,599. And that's the Daikin. .5 horsepower. Daikin is also the best one for split types next to the in par level with Coppel, in my opinion, because I've been to a house that they have this Coppel 3 horsepower inverter 65, and they got Coppel 2.5 horsepower but non-inverter 36,299. So, like I said, I trusted this brand because all my main house aircon has been with me for years and they still work until now. So, I stick with the Coppel brand. Ang usa imong nakuhang usabit? Kwaon pa. Coppel and duha. So that's the 2 units I'm buying. So look the same. Now we're gonna test it. So if you're just into, look, just 0.6 horsepower, but the brand is Medea. For 7,600 pesos. 0.6 horsepower window type manual. So you got no remote control, and this is the half horsepower at 8,600 by Sharp. Although they have the half horsepower Coppel at 9,500. So this is the 2.5 horsepower window by Panasonic. It's now 30,500 pesos. So they got the Coppel here, which is the non-inverter, but 1.5 horsepower, non-inverter. That's 22,400 pesos, but this is the one I'm buying. This is the 0.75 window Coppel manual at 13,900. So I'll have two of them. So we're testing it. Under? Pamlagyan na ibog, no? So they're testing. So that's the white Westinghouse 1 horsepower, 18,000 pesos. And this is with Dega Panasonic 1 horsepower manual, 16,000 pesos. So we're testing the first aircon. It works and it's cool. Bugnaw naga. So you can feel the cool air. It's like start freezing air. That one, imo sa nagikuan? Opa. Sige na.
Okay na nila.
Okay na naga. Naman kaya na yung warranty.
Oh.
Pila? 1 year warranty?
5 years ang service niya, 5 years ang compressor ma.
The compressor got 5 years warranty, 1 year for parts and service. And like I said, I've been using Coppel brand ever since, so I just have to stick to the brand I know.
Ano?
Wa siya pakapin nga kuan? Molding para sa window?
Wala ma.
Panasonic ra. Ang media good nipis kay siya para ra gyud siya ka nagay kahoy gali kay wa gyud siya allowance, no? Ang gamay ang bongbong. So because the media, although it's cheaper, you cannot put it on a wall because of the side. If you look at the side of this, I got 6-inch.
More than 7 inches.
Yeah, 6-inch thickness of wall. So this is like 7 inches for allowance there on the back. That's perfect. But if you look at the media brand, there's no allowance. Although the price is quite good. But like I said, I cannot. I've heard problems with this unit. Panasonic palagi na ang kartona na. Oh. And this one is also small on the sharp. So I don't want it to look awkward as well because you're trying to save money. I just want it all perfect. And in fact, the recommended one is half horsepower. I have it of 0.75 horsepower for the size of the bedroom in my guest house. Because in my main house, I always have 2 horsepower minimum. Although I got 1.5 in our bedroom because it's divided into with walk-in closet, so it can just be contained in where we sleep. So this is the 2 aircons I bought for the 2 bedrooms of the guest house.